The poll body has posted on its website the certificates of candidacy of 2025 election aspirants. Only those of senatorial aspirants and party list groups were uploaded for now. This is the first time COMELEC has done so to prevent cases of misrepresentation. To access the files, visit the COMELEC website at comelec.gov.ph. Oy, so mga kababayan, take this opportunity to check it out, ha? Kasi makikita nyo na yung listahan and ngayon pa lang, pwede nyo na i-research yung mga candidates. Take a look at also the senatorial...
Party list to, no?
Party list and
Tsaka
senator.
senators.
Oh, yung party list, pag-aralan nyo mabuti kung ano kasi isa lang pwede piliin nyo. Sa mga senador naman, madaming candidates that have come out from progressive groups that are worth the look, ika nga, no? They might not have the same funds as the other bigger names, but capable naman
Actually,
sila.
tumataas nga daw sa survey yung mga progressive names. Pero wala pa naman ba, correct me if I'm wrong, wala pa rin bang, ang tawag dito, na-announce officially ang COMELEC tungkol sa nuisance candidates?
Hindi, may list na eh.
May list na. Pero hindi, ibig sabihin nuisance. Kasi may list na, pero nag-announce ba sila na ito, nuisance to, ganun? Wala pa, di ba?
The list that come out, yun yung official na. Official candidates already.
Pero kasi usually they make announcements, 'di ba? Na ito nuisance candidate ito.
Ang alam ko kasi ang presumption is the 66 senatorial
Yes,
candidate.
that's ano naman 'yan eh.
So that means-
Common sense naman din 'yan na talaga.
No, in other
na
words,
yun.
pag nandun na yung list, pag nandun na yung names, ibig sabihin wala nang nuisance doon. That is the cleaned up list already. That is
Oo
the
nga, I'm just
official
saying
list.
kung meron na ba silang nirelease
Kung sino.
din na nuisance kung sino.
Akala ko from the 66 magkakaroon pa
Ay,
ng...
hindi.
Linawin mo
You're
kasi-
not listening kasi.
No, you're not answering properly.
Sabi ko,
Answer
nag-release na ba sila
properly.
ng official statement ng nuisance candidates?
Yung mga
Hindi
dapat-
ko naman sinabi, nag-release na ba
Dapat
sila ng
sinabi
statement
mo,
na from the
nag-announce
candidate?
na ba sila ng mga tinangko sino ang natanggal
That's
nila?
what I said
Oo.
kanina.
No, that's not what you said. That's not what you said.
Iba yung naintindihan niya,
Ah,
di ba?
hindi.
Sinong
So-
Team Angel?
So, iba ang naintindihan ko, but the other people out there may have the same understanding
Tingnan
level as
natin.
me.
Sige nga, yung mga nakikinig sa atin, sinong naintindihan niyo sa amin?